In one of my videos where I told about the fonts used in the movie Black Panther, we also got to see that amazing text transition from Wakandan to Benu, and I tried to recreate that transition, and the result that I got are quite satisfactory. And now I'm gonna show you how did I made it. First thing you wanna do is open up After Effects and make a new composition. I already created a new composition. So next thing is to create a text, actually two texts, one before the transition and one after the transition. So the first text should be above the second text. Left click on the first text and pre-compose the text and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it text first. And click OK. Now take the pen tool and make a triangle above the first letter. We could make a rectangle, but I like it this way. Now what we are doing here is we're making a mask out of the shapes in order to hide the second letter. So make a triangle and change the option to subtract. Now take the pen tool to adjust the anchor points and make a straight line. Now duplicate the mask and change the color if you want. Now change the angle of the second mask and make an X above the letter . So now you can see what the mask line did. Now pre-compose the second letter and change the name to second text. Now copy both the mask and paste it on the second letter effects panel. And change the option to add. Now take the playhead to around 5 seconds and snap the first mask option and hit the little stopwatch. Now hold down shift and press page down button 2 times to go ahead 2 frames. Change the mask expansion to 30%. Now hit the toggle of mask 1 to go to the exact point where the first mask was, and make a point here. Now select both the points and press F9 to turn on Easy Ease In. Same with this one. Turn on the I button on the second text. Adjust some values and see the output. If it's working fine, now we'll go ahead. We have to do the same thing with the rest of the letters. Snap back these masks and duplicate it. Keep the mask in ascending order to avoid confusion. Take the right arrow key to change the position of the mask. Bring it above the second letter. Duplicate the mask of the first text. And remember to keep it in ascending order. Push the mask to the right above the next letter. Now you can lower the mask value to a certain degree to make it look good. I have changed the expansion value in the letter to lower the mask. Repeat the process until all the letters are covered. And don't forget to keep the mask in ascending order. Now it's cleanup time. You don't want these extra bits around the letters, do you? So for cleaning up these bits, snap the mask option and go to the initial point and lower the mask expansion to around -30. Similarly, in the mask 2 option, lower the expansion to -30. It's best to keep the value to -50. We're doing this in the first text only, where we have the subtract text. Use these arrows to go to the exact point and change the values. Do this with the rest of the letters. Once you are done with the cleanup, you get the simple and amazing text translation effect. Now snap back all these mask options and pull the playhead to see the output. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. Consider subscribing to this channel, would mean a lot to me. So do subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.